That's great. Everything is as I said. Excellent. Another deal closes with a profit. Oh, the price didn't quite reach the level I expected. Super. Today, I'm gonna show you how I made $1,145 in just one trading session using clear signals and simple, proven rules. No complicated setups, no panic, no guessing, so this strategy works even if you're a total beginner. I used two indicators, Keltner Channel and RSI. They work great together and help spot those moments when the price is either overheated or ready to reverse. Every trade I opened was based on logic, not luck, and I'm about to show you exactly how I picked my entry points, why I entered it when I did, and how I manage my risk. So if you're curious how to squeeze the most out of basic analysis, let's go. I will walk you through everything step by step. I'm starting this session with a balance of $7,400. This time I decided to risk $450 per trade. Don't ask why that number, I just felt like it. I'm trading with a 1-minute expiration and using the 30-second time frame. Now it's time to bring in our little helpers, the indicators. First up is the Keltner Channel. I'm setting it to 20, 20, and 2. Second is the RSI, which I will set to a period of 10. That's it. Super simple. So now let's find our first entry point. The chart shows a clear uptrend, so this is a good spot to open a call trade. The trend is strong and we are moving with it. Looking back, the price doesn't always reach the lower band of the Keltner Channel, but that's okay. I just need the RSI to dip into the 35-40% zone. That's where we have seen solid upward moves before. So I'm entering this trade a bit early, anticipating the move. If the price pulls back a bit, no worries, I will just re-enter. Oh, the price didn't quite reach the level I expected, so this trade ended in a loss, but hey, no stress. I can already see the price starting to climb, so I'm jumping right back into the trade. Of course, I first increased the risk to cover the loss and open another deal. The signals remain the same, the trend is strong and upward. We work according to the rules of the market. I entered on a rollback, so now I wait for an upward movement. That's great. Everything is as I said. I'm fixing the first profit of $1,638. Now you can return to the standard risk and look for the next opportunity. I will try to open a short. If you look only at the chart, then yes, I'm moving against the trend, but there is a clear resistance zone according to the Keltner indicator. The price has reached the upper boundary of the channel, and I expect a correction to the midline. In addition, the RSI is already overheated. It is unloading to the 50 zone. I have seen such a pattern before, so I'm trying to catch a profit here. And if a signal appears, I may duplicate the deal or fix it quickly. Excellent. Another deal closes with a profit of $708. I take it. The risk at the moment has decreased a little. I return it back to $450 and prepare for the next entry. By the way, I showed all these trades in real time on my Telegram channel. The guys who traded with me later sent screenshots with their profits. It was just awesome. If you are tired of trading at random and want to get clear and working entry points, follow the link under the video. Open the Telegram, click the Write to Me button and simply write. I want access to the closed channel. I will personally answer you, explain how everything works, and connect you to our team. Over the past week, we have had more than 70 signals and 63 of them closed in plus. The statistics speak for themselves. And if you're not ready to go to the closed part yet, go through the same to the free channel. Look at the trades, results, reviews, everything is in the public domain. In any case, you do not risk anything and you will receive a sea of information waiting for you. I see that the price has approached the Keltner midline, plus RSI in the 50 zone is the support level. An excellent signal to work with. So the scenario is the same. The trend is ascending and I expect a rebound. I work in the direction of the trend. I enter on the rise. It was important not to rush here. I waited a little for confirmation and only then open a deal. In history, such rebounds often give a good upward movement and now everything is going exactly the same. Unfortunately, the price did break the middle line downwards and the deal is closed not in my favor. But the trend is still upward, so I enter again with increased risk. While the market structure is not broken, there is a chance for growth. So such moments happen. It is important to keep your cool. Re-entry is part of the strategy and moreover, the price is still within the limits, so it is worth opening a deal. Here it is, the necessary rebound. I fixed another $1,593 in profit. It is too early to stop. I'm looking for the next entry. An impulse appears on the chart. Candles with long shadows at the bottom, confirmation that demand is increasing. We continue to work along that trend. A great moment for a long. RSI fell to the 30% zone. The price touched the lower border of Keltner. There is confirmation of growth. This scenario has already worked out in history. So I'm waiting for an upward movement to the upper border of the channel. The candles begin to change color, the first green one appears, an excellent signal, so I expect a continuation. And if everything goes according to plan, I will fix another profit. Well, the first trade was a loss, it just didn't have enough time. Without further ado, I will immediately re-enter with increased risk. The signals are the same. You just need a little more patience. The price is at the lower boundary of the channel. RSI is in the overload zone. Locally, I expect growth to the upper boundary. Yes, the deal closes in my favor and covers the previous loss. Super. During this session, I earned $1,145 simply following my strategy. Yes, there were losing trades, there is no way around that, but the main thing is that the system works and I clearly understand what I'm doing at each entry. When you trade according to a plan without fuss and unnecessary emotions, the result is not long in coming. The whole trick is in discipline, in analysis, and in not jumping from instrument to instrument, but in bringing one strategy to confidence. This is how stable pluses come, my friends. If you also want to stop rushing around and start trading using a clear system with real entry points, come to my Telegram. Link under the video. Go to Telegram, click the Write to Me button and write, I want access to a closed channel. And that's it. We are in touch. There are already more than 100 traders in the chat and together we trade in plus every day. And if you just want to watch, go to the free channel. There are all the deals, reviews, profits without embellishment. And of course, like, subscribe and go watch my new video in which I show another working strategy. It is definitely worth your attention. So see you later, friends.